Welcome, Mr. Yarek in Alexandria. This is nearly the third time in Egypt at Alexandria Top. So, Mr. Yarek, how are you?
Yes, I come to Alexandria third or fourth time. Every time when I come here to your beautiful country, I feel very, very good and excellent. And with this amazing weather, this amazing interesting place, I feel really, really very, very good.
What's your favorite places here at Alexandria touristic sites?
In touristic sites, catacombs, we was catacombs last year with you, and of course here, Biblioteca Alexandrina with the beautiful exhibition about President Sadat. It's your history, about your country, and for our future with peace. It's a very, very important place. Every time welcome. I want to invitation all tourists, all people, all travelers who are coming to Egypt, to Alexandria, to Alexandria and to Cairo, Al-Kahira, to use and to choose you. Why? Because you have all in your head here. You have so many different information about history, about historical sites, places. Will be pleasure next time to go with you to Al-Arabia. Yes, exactly. Iowa, I will tell Iowa. And to another places, to cemetery, important place. Every people, every tourist must go with you. You are really the best tour guide here. I want to tell you thank you very much, and I recommend very, very much for all tourists who are coming to Alexandria. You must go only with Iran. Really, the best places, the best size, and very, very good organization. Really, I recommend for all tourists. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you two places. The first is Alexandria Library and the second is Alexandria Fine Art Museum. We are here inside the reading hall of the library. This reading area is one of the biggest reading area in the world because it's housing now 2 million books, and it's up to 8 million books because we still have many spaces here on the shelves. The reading hall is divided into 11 levels, up and down, each level for a specific kind of books. And the ceiling takes a design like eyes to permit the sunlight to penetrate and to avoid the dust. From the entrance, you can go down by using the elevator or normal stairs to B1 floor. At B1 floor, you can see many things here. This is here open museum. Displays some different collections from different places all over Egypt. Most of them dates back to 17th, 18th centuries. Like this machine in front of us. This machine is a typing machine. Dates back to 17th century. And also in front of us we can see the map. This is map about Alexandria city. It dates back to the time of the French campaign here in Egypt by Napoleon Bonaparte since 1798. And the most important discovery during this campaign was Rosetta Stone. Rosetta Stone discovered in a city east of Alexandria called Rosetta. I'm gonna make a video about it very soon. And also, you can see just a copy of this Rosetta at this library, preserved in manuscript museum here. But this is just a copy because the original one preserved now in British Museum in London. And we are still continue walking here in this open museum. We can see different collections in front of us. And we can notice also these huge columns. The numbers of these columns here about 66, supporting the ceiling The capital of these columns take the shape like lotus flower. And lotus, it was a symbol of the birth of god Amun-Ra in ancient Egypt. And this is like combination here between the ancient and modern art. And this is here a huge safety box. This is here foundation panel written in Arabic language. And in Arabic we have different types of inscriptions. The most famous two are Rika and Nasakh. And the Arabic is always written from right to the left. And this is here the letters of the alphabets. We can also see some examples about the statues or bust of the statues for the famous Egyptian poet and writers like Taha Hussein, Ahmed Shawqi, and Abbas al-Aqid. And from the main entrance, you're gonna find this glass triangle. From here, you can see all the reading area, like panoramic view for all the reading area. From here, from this spot. Beside to the books, students or researchers, they can use the internet through the computers. The numbers of the computers are 200. They can access the internet through the link written on the ticket itself to get any information they need. You have to know that the library is closed on Friday and during the official vacations. The library includes about now 5,000 rare maps, beside to the museum, beside to the art galleries, and also the planetarium. And if you want to know more about the library, I have a video in this channel, a complete tour about 20 minutes. Check it out at the playlist. I hope you enjoyed this first site. Was here at the Library of Alexandria. The other place it will be for the Fine Art Museum in Alexandria. And if you like to watch more videos about Egypt, subscribe now to Egytourina channel. Enjoy your watching with Mr. Gary from Travel TV YouTube channel.
Here is Jarek Jablonski from Telewizja Polska 360 and from Travel TV television, of course. I stay here now in Fine Art Museum in Alexandria. Here was a very wonderful and important exhibitions about war and warriors. Polish warriors who lives here and who makes a really very picturesque, beautiful, very important for our history pictures. Many ratings for all followers for Egytourina, for Iran, from this amazing and very important for our history and for our future plans in the middle of Alexandria in Egypt. Thank you. Yes, amazing, beautiful sculptures here in Alexandria in Egypt. This is a very interesting place and great museum. You must come in here, really. I recommend very much this place for all travelers who coming here to Egypt. You're welcome.